Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can find sound equalizer of your HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. So first of all, you have to be connected with your buds, so open this charging case and also HUAWEI AI Live application. Next, you have to scroll down and go for the sound quality. As you can see in this place, we can open the EQ effects, that's the sound equalizer, and you can select three default options: bass boost, default, and also this third, the treble boost. And in my opinion, the best effect you can get for the bass boost. I test with the default, with the treble, and for me, this second sounds the best. So I can recommend you to play the same song with these three setups and just find out which one is the best for you. After you pick one of this preset, just click cancel, and right now you can enjoy a little bit different sound that will come from your FreeBuds 5i. And yeah, there is also one thing that you can change when you are on the turn off noise control, basically the ambient sound. You can open the Bluetooth settings, the standard Bluetooth settings on your phone, click on the settings and be sure that the HD audio AAC is turned on. After that, you will get a little bit better quality of the sound. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.